Today I'm going to show you how to enter payment vouchers in cashbook entry in the cloud system. So once you log into the cloud system, at the left-hand panel, you'll be able to see the accounting menu screen. So you just click onto it, click onto the cashbook, and then onto the far right corner, you see a button over here. You just click onto it. All right. And since I'm going to show you how to do a payment voucher, you just click onto new payment voucher. Now, once you click onto the new payment voucher, a new screen will appear, and you can see that on the right hand here, we have the voucher numbering. Now, when you click onto here, some of you might have a few document numbering format uh, to identify the different bank payment and cash entries. All right. So now, if I'm going to do a payment voucher through bank, I will click onto payment voucher, select the document numbering. Now for those who are just using one bank account, then you need not have to click on unless you have one bank and one petty cash. All right, then you want to set different voucher numbering to identify the transactions. Otherwise, you'll be using one document numbering sharing between the two account codes. All right, that is sharing between the bank payment voucher as well as the cash payment voucher. Now that I don't advise lah. So for those who are having petty cash entries as well as bank, it's better that you open two numbering voucher, right? So now onto the left hand side, pay to, you always just type in the payee name. All right, let's say for example, I want to pay for accounting services. I just say ABC. You see Wong and Chu company. All right, and then here I just put pay for accounting services, right? And then on to here's the date. So you can select the date from here. And of course, this is a bank voucher. And from here, you just click onto it to select the bank. Let's say, for example, here I have a various bank here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use MBB Bank. All right, and this is my payment voucher numbering. And at the bottom here, you got to select. All right, for example, MBB Bank, you're going to pay 1,002 out of the bank for accounting services. So here you click the button, and then you just click onto accounting. Just search for accounting fees, and it will just appear on the screen, and that will be 1,002. So you can just save onto it. So once you save it, you can see that the payment voucher has been done, and then you can just edit. If you type in wrongly, you can edit it again, or you can just print. Now you can print the payment voucher. This is a payment voucher. All right. So I just close it. That's done for payment voucher. What about receipts? All right. So when you click onto here, let's say receipts. Of course, receipts for customers, you have to key into the customers here. All right. But if it is a receipt from, let's say, sales of scrap, or maybe FD bank interest received, and then you want to record it. So what you do is you just click onto receipt voucher. You just type MBB bank interest, right? You receive from MBB bank, all right? MBB bank, and then here you just type the description. Maybe you just say this is bank interest received, all right? And of course, let's say if this is 31st January, on the last day you receive a bank interest, then you click onto MBB bank and you just put in, let's say sometimes they give you 55 ringgit and 70 cents, all right? And here just click onto it and you look for bank interest. See whether we have the code or not. Bank charges. Now we don't have the code here, right? So if you don't have the code, what you do is I just close it, discard this first, and I'm going to open a other income chart of account. So let's go back to the other income side. We have late interest charge, all right, and discount receipt. Charge will not be here actually, you know. I can change this to bank interest received. All right, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so let's move back to accounting, cash book entry. I'm going to do a receipt voucher. So let's say receive from MBB bank, all right, and then here you put bank interest received for January 2022, and here you can click on to the last day of the month when you receive your bank statement, and here you just click onto MBB bank. Here you click onto bank interest received, right? So let's say the amount is how much is $55.70. So this is done. All right, so this is for any other receipts that you receive other than customers. If it is customers, you have to click to customers. For those who are doing credit sales, you know, and then you receive the receipts from your customer, then you click onto customer. And let me save onto it. Bank payment, MBA may need to specify check number. Do you want to continue saving? So no need check number because it is online. So do you want to continue saving? Yes. If not, then you can say payment by online. All right. You can type onto the word online and then you save it. So that's easily done for the official receipts, bank interest receipt, right? So this is how you do payment voucher and receipt voucher for those GL payment, not related to debtors and not related to suppliers, right? Now, what about payment to suppliers? Very simple, just click new payment and then you click on the supplier. Of course, you need to select the supplier code, right? Just click onto it, okay? And then you select which bank account from here. So let's say I go back from MBB bank, right? And I'm going to put on here how much I'm going to pay for this person. Let's say it's 500. You enter, you save, and then it will bring you, do you want to create knock off entry? You just say yes. So this $500 is supposed to be knocked off into which bill? So there's still outstanding here, opening balance of 1001. Let's say I'm going to pay for this, right? I just click it, save. And then it is written as unapplied. So you just click one more time to refresh it. Then you find that it is fully applied. So this is how you do for supplier payment, right? So that's so much about the cash book entry. Thank you. Do subscribe and like my video channel. Thank you.